And I think this was also completed. 2 test papers were completed. Now third one is here. 13 sentences are here. Yes, this is the new one. These 13 sentences you have to note down in revision test paper, and you have to find out adverbs. Circle or tick the right adverbs. Some time is being given to you. So start writing, and don't be just in the thinking that ma'am is not looking us. I will ask you to show your test papers on the screen, in front of the screen, just after completing the test. Okay, everyone will show me the test given, all the tests given on the screen. So please take the studies and these tests seriously. After 10 minutes, I will ask you, and first I will just have a look on the test paper. After that, I will ask the answers. So write down these 13 sentences, and you have to paste or punch this test paper where the topic is given in the book, adverb. This time you have been given to just copy down the test, the sentences in the paper. After 10 minutes, I will see in front of your screen. Everyone will show. Yesterday test also and today's also. And the topics will be stapled where they are given in the books. Students, those whosoever is completing the test, written test, may raise the hands. Some minutes are still left for completing 10 minutes. And those who are raising the hands may also put their screens on, videos on. Complete it fast. Okay, everyone just put on your videos on. And keep your test paper in front of the screen. Everyone will keep the test paper in front of the screen. So right now I have to remove the test paper from here just to have the look. Okay. Yes, Nana, yours work I can see. Dave is also there. Just Dave, keep your paper more closer to the screen. Okay. Garima Tyagi. Some wallpaper is there, not your work is there. Vaishnavi, Tapanshi, I can see your work. Nandini Gupta also. And Vaishnavi, Rahul Mittal. Yashi Gupta, yes, I can see. Abhinav also, Abhinav Gupta. Onik, yes, you have completed. Shrishti, Vaishnavi, Karthik, Karthik Talreja. Vanshika Tulani, yes, I can see. Garima Tyagi, Vanya and Deepak Gupta. You people are not available on the screen. Ansh and Vansh, Himanshu Kushwa, Shobhit, Ilesh, Ananya, Ayush Jha, Harshit Singh. Still these students have not completed. Vanya, yes, I can see. Ilesh, okay. Ansh, Shobhit, Himanshu Kushwa, Arshit Singh, Ayush Jha, Ananya. These students are not available on the screen. Garima Tyagi, she is also not available. So coming to the exercises, now we will start answers. Dev Saraswat. Yes.
Next, excitedly.
आपको 20 सेकंड की बुक की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी देखिए नैना.
Yes, ma'am.
Second sentence.
The lion roared loudly in front of the audience at the zoo.
Okay. Good. Roared loudly. Next. Nandini Gupta.
Finally,
The cook finally brought the food to the table. Yes. Shrishti.
The smart student always listen to the teacher.
Yes. Smart students. Tapanshi.
ma'am, answer is frantically.
The young man frantically looked for his son. Correct. Next, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Yes.
Furiously.
The baseball player furiously hit the ball over the wall.
Yes, ma'am.
Furiously. Ansh.
Ma'am, fiercely.
Fiercely.
Yes.
The goaler fiercely defended his goal. Onik. Onik is not there. Karthik Talreja. Karthik. Okay, Onik. Yes, Onik. Eighth sentence. Onik, I'm asking you. He is not audible. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Eighth sentence.
Har, ma'am. HOUR.
Yes, my urge to eat is a difficult habit to deal with. The sentence
Next
is
one.
called running on in present. My hourly urge to eat is a difficult habit because it's a repeated habit. That's why hourly ly will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, Next, Suman Kumari.
Ma'am, ninth one.
Yes,
I happily married to my wife.
yes.
Happily.
Happily is the correct answer. Garima Tyagi.
Ma'am, 10th.
10th one. Yes, Garima. She's not there. Ayush Jha.
Ma'am, 10th one answer will, ma'am, joyful.
Joyful. The joyful music played in the courtyard. Yes. Now, Vanshika Tulani. Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am. Fond.
I was fond of my mentor. Yes. Correct. Next one. Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
12th sentence.
The students foolishly interrupted the lesson.
Foolishly. That's
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Okay. Vanya. 13th.
Free.
The students were free when the bell rang. Yes. Free is the correct answer. Okay, this was, I think, your third revision test of adverbs, topic adverbs. Everyone has copied down. Some were left and they were not trying to come in front of the screen. I have noted down their names. Okay, now lower your hands. Lower your hand, students. Shrishti, Dev, Garima, and Naina. Lower your hands. Okay. Now only those will raise hands if there is any genuine query. If you are having the query, then only you raise your hand. Yes, Shrishti.
Ma'am, in 8th one there is R or Arly.
LY, Arly.
Okay, ma'am. Only I want to confirm it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Nandini.
Ma'am, what is the answer of ninth?
Ninth.
Yes, ma'am.
Happily.
Happily. Okay, ma'am.
Happily. Yashi Gupta.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 10th?
Joyful, FUL.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else?